Wagwan people, this is Jania from Jamaican Sinting. You know, a little something I think about. People have it for say the Jamaican language little bit rough and aggressive, or sometimes them say it colorful and expressive, or sometimes them think it just funny. We in Jamaica, majority of the people use the Jamaican language in various settings, and me just want to dispel some of the things where people think about the language. So listen what me I say. Now, what you have to realize is that some words by themselves, they are crude. There are words in any language that they might be crude, vulgar of themselves. And if you even realize, sometimes when people in a different language are talk, just based on how them a fling up and a carry on, you can know, say, and I love quotes them a give. Them actually a quarrel. So, is it really true or fair to say, without even knowing the language, that the language rough and aggressive of itself, or colorful and expressive? Now, take for instance the word for vulture. In Jamaica, we call that John Crow, or in our language, Jam Crow. Now, obviously, for the most part, if you are referring to another person as John Crow, I don't want good context, that's not true. Here is a way that we may use the word John Crow, and it might sound rough and aggressive, or it might actually sound familiar and friendly. Gwe dirty John Crow. Gwe dirty John Crow. Gwe dirty John Crow. Dirty John Crow. Where I say dirty John Crow. No. You see what me I talk about? Same word, but it can sound rough and aggressive, or it can sound like familiar and friendly. Now, in terms of our language being colorful, what really happens is that we use a lot of what we call imagery to express ourselves as well. In Jamaica, someone would just want to say something basic like, wow, your hair is very unkempt. In the Jamaica, we would have said, what a way you feel like John Crow draw breaks in your head. Or, you've certainly gotten way too thin. Girl, you look like say John Crow a roast for you. Lots of imagery, I tell you. So, you tell me, when you hear the Jamaican language, what you hear? Rough and aggressive, or colorful and expressive? Until then, you see Mr. John Crow? Him say him no work on Sunday. John Crow say him no work on Sunday. No, him no work on a Sunday. John Crow say him no work on Sunday. John Crow say him no work on Sunday. Big up Tenor Saw every time. Alright, little more.